Can Longbow break the EV curse? Meet the Featherweight electric sports cars. Fire. In a world where electric cars are getting heavier, one startup dares to defy the norm. Introducing Longbow, a UK-based company promising a true lightweight EV sports car, the Speedster and Roadster, arriving in 2026. High voltage, a weight revolution in the EV world. While most modern EVs are tipping the scales at over 4,000 pounds, Longbow aims for something unheard of, an all-electric sports car under 2,200 pounds. The no-roof Speedster targets 1,973 pounds, 895 kilograms, while the fixed-roof Roadster will be slightly heavier. For comparison, that's far lighter than any Tesla, BMW, or Porsche EV today. Rocket performance meets purity. Built on a custom aluminum chassis, both models promise a 0 to 60 miles per hour time under 4 seconds and an estimated 275-mile range, WLTP. But here's the catch: these will be hand-built, ultra-exclusive machines. Only 150 units of each will be made, with prices starting at £64,995, $85,000, for the Roadster and £84,995, $110,000, for the Speedster. Racing car, who's behind this bold move? Unlike many failed EV startups, Longbow's co-founders have serious industry cred. CEO Daniel Davey played a key role at Tesla, while Mark Tapscott has worked with Lucid, BYD, and even the legendary Lotus Elise. Jenny Kisu, former CEO of electric boat company X-Shore, brings her leadership expertise to the table. Stop sign: will Longbow succeed? Davey believes today's EVs have lost their connection to driving purity, saying, "Modern sports cars weigh over 1,500 kilograms, and many BEVs are double that. We need something truly driver-focused." Is Longbow the future of lightweight performance EVs? Or will it fade like other ambitious startups? The race is on, and the world is watching.